Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion battery step by step. Begin by confirming the vehicle is off and keys are removed, then set the parking brake and open the hood. Identify the battery location and clear the area around it. Put on safety glasses and gloves and gather your wrenches and a battery carrier. Keep metal tools away from terminals and work methodically to avoid damage or injury. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion battery step by step. Start by locating the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign, and loosen its clamp nut with the correct wrench. Remove the negative cable and tuck it away so it cannot contact the battery post. Next, loosen and remove the positive terminal with care to avoid bridging metal, and ensure both cables stay separated while you continue with the removal. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion battery step by step. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car guides. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum seen here is great for keeping your garage and car mats tidy with voice control and smart navigation. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion battery step by step. With both terminals disconnected, undo the hold-down clamp or bracket and remove it from the battery tray. Use a battery carrier or two hands with a firm grip and lift the battery straight up, keeping it level and upright to prevent acid spills. Place it on a secure surface, inspect the tray and cables for corrosion, and clean the area before installing the new unit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.